Boko, boko. Yeah, hello, music customers. We are doing a delivery of a Tarkwa marble stone to a customer here in Accra, which is a 10-car truck. So whatever it is, give us a call. We do a delivery across the country. You see, look at our stones. Look at how the stones look so beautiful. You see, so nice and marvelous. So whatever it is, give us a call. We do a delivery across the country. The name is Steven Stone. You see the colors, so beautiful. This is a pure natural stone that the color will never fade away. This color will never fade away. You see, so beautiful. You see, one thing about me, we say, I always come with a Kia and offload it to your location. I always come with a truck and offload the stone to your location. That be my character. So whatever I do, you call us. I deliver the stone to your location soon as possible. Boko, boko. And baby, oh, Biana, or the fray stones on a bro, fe. Bye bye. Boko, boko.